Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog of how I like to prep for a red carpet appearance and everything that I do the night before. So today is full of back-to-back appointments. It's going to be like a full-on maintenance day, which is really satisfying because it's also November 1st, and I don't know, just something about like getting myself all done up on the first of a month, it hits different. It hits different. By the way, I'm filming on my phone today. I just thought, why not switch it up? I feel like the lighting is a lot better on my iPhone than it is on my vlog camera, so let me know if you guys like the quality a little bit better. The first appointment that we have to go to today is a facial. I'm going to Dr. Barbara Sturm's spa here in Dallas, and I need my skin looking camera ready. I have a crazy breakout going on in my forehead, a little bit on my cheek over here. So I'm gonna need them to get me right before this red carpet appearance. I booked the signature Sturm Glow facial, which sounds like exactly what I need. And I'm actually like 10 minutes late right now, so we need to go inside. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All done with the facial. My skin looks a little irritated, but it feels great. That's all that matters. You guys already know my skin is very sensitive, so it's always red after a facial. Okay guys, so my facial is complete. I got a little skin recovery, I think tea it's called. It's the best tea ever. It's from Barbara Sturm, of course, and they're always sold out, but she got me a couple of tea bags and she got me this to-go cup of tea. So cheers. Now I'm headed off to the Thompson Dallas spa. It's the best spa ever. So underrated. And I'm gonna get some sort of like botanical body scrub. I've never actually gotten a full body scrub before. If you watched my Rare Beauty influencer brand trip, I tried to get a body scrub there, but that didn't end up working out. So we are headed off to the Thompson Dallas spa right now for a full body scrub. This is gonna be a new experience for us, but today is a full maintenance day, so we're just gonna like go all out, do it all up. I really want my skin to be glowing on my body as well as my face, so I feel like this body scrub is gonna be great for that. So now we're gonna head over to the Thompson Spa. So I just got all settled at the spa and they pushed my appointment back an hour, so I got all changed into my robe and now I have like an hour until it's time. So I'm just gonna do some like work and answer emails and stuff until then. So I just took a really quick shower. She said that I didn't need a shower afterwards, but I just like felt like it. And I feel so clean and fresh. And that was the best service I've ever gotten. Like, I know I said earlier I've never gotten a body scrub before at a spa, but it was hitting. It was so good. And my skin feels like I don't even have skin on my body, if that makes any sense. It probably makes no sense, but it's very soft. That's all you need to know. This step in my maintenance day is very unnecessary, but also it's pretty necessary. I don't know, I feel like I need a fresh blowout to make today even better. So we're treating ourselves. It's called self-care. So we're gonna go over to the hair salon. By the way, I'm not going to Dry Bar. Shocker. Like, actually shocker. I'm gonna go to the salon that I get my haircuts at called Era Salon. We're running late, so we gotta go right now. So the blowout is done. We love her. Again, that was super unnecessary, but I was just having a self-care day, so I thought, why not? And now I'm having a bite to eat. I'm eating kava right now. It was just something really quick and easy to grab. And then we're gonna go get my nails done. got chrome for my manicure, and then for my pedicure, I just got like a regular pinkish nude. By the way, yes, I'm vlogging and driving, but there's traffic right now, so I'm like driving pretty slow. Don't vlog and drive. But anyways, I thought I would wrap this video up here since I'm done with my little maintenance day. It actually wasn't a little maintenance day. It was a very long day. I feel like that TikTok sound that's like, today drained me. Like, tell me why today actually drained me. Like, going to the spa and shit, like, I'm exhausted. I just want to go home and like lay down. So tomorrow, you guys, I don't even know like how to say it. Rare Beauty is flying me out to LA to attend Selena Gomez's documentary premiere, My Mind to Me. Yeah. Rare Beauty. Yeah. They asked me to go. Me. I don't think you guys understand, like, the way I've been having, like, an out-of-body experience over the last few days, ever since I found out about this. I'm like, huh? What? Excuse me? But yeah, that's what I'm up to tomorrow. That's why I've had, like, a full maintenance day all day today. I'm just trying to, like, get ready to be camera ready, I guess. I'm really excited. I don't think I'm gonna vlog my night tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna do like TikTok and Instagram type of content. So make sure to follow me over there if you don't already. I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here before I get home and I have to start packing and going crazy over there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like me filming on my phone. I know I said at the beginning of this that I am vlogging on my phone today, and I usually vlog on my vlog camera, but I don't know, I thought I would like switch it up because I really like the lighting, even though I feel like today being in my car, the lighting has been kind of crazy. But other than that, make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You guys already know what to do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.